In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a song from your Spotify app to your Instagram story. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Spotify app and then open the song that you wish to use or to share to your Instagram stories. Once you have identified the song, go ahead and tap on these three dots up here, and then you'll see this option called share. Alternatively, if you come down here it is, you can also see the same option. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now you have the option to share it either to Instagram stories or messages. For our case, we want to share Instagram stories. So I'll tap on stories, and this will go ahead and open my Instagram. And you can see it has been added, and now it is under your story. So if you tap on it, you can see now under your story, it has been added. So that's how you share a song from Spotify to Instagram story. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if the video was helpful, kindly subscribe and also like the video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.